Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use interactive brokers effectively. First, let's get your account set up. You will complete an online application and then fund your account. Interactive Brokers offers various account types, including cash, margin, and portfolio margin, each suited for different trading styles. It is important to choose the one that best fits your needs. Some accounts even have a minimum funding requirement of $0, making it accessible for many investors to begin their journey. Once your account is ready, understanding the platforms is key. Interactive Brokers offers several options. Trader Workstation, or TWS, is their flagship desktop platform, providing advanced charting and analytical tools for serious traders. For a simpler, web-based experience, the client portal is excellent for managing your account and executing basic trades. Additionally, their mobile applications allow you to stay connected and trade from virtually anywhere, offering great flexibility. Effective trade execution is crucial for successful investing. Interactive Brokers provides a wide array of order types to suit any strategy, from simple market and limit orders to more complex stop and trailing stop orders. You can also use bracket orders to automatically manage your risk by setting both a profit target and a stop loss simultaneously. Their smart routing technology is designed to seek out the best available prices across multiple exchanges, aiming for optimal execution. Finally, effective risk management and utilizing advanced tools can significantly enhance your trading. Interactive Brokers offers robust features like customizable alerts to keep you informed of market changes and portfolio analysis tools to help you understand your risk exposure. For more experienced traders, you can delve into complex options strategies, futures trading, and even leverage their API for automated trading solutions. These tools empower you to manage your investments proactively and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.